Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the incredibly frustrating leader session issues and convoy connection errors in Forza Horizon 6. When you are trying to cruise with your friends but get hit with endless disconnecting messages or find yourself completely separated from your convoy leader, it totally ruins the multiplayer experience. To resolve this instantly, the convoy leader needs to open the main menu, go to the Online tab, select Convoy, and click the option to disband the convoy entirely. This completely resets the localized lobby session. Next, if you are playing on PC, press the Windows key, search for Command Prompt, right-click it to run as administrator, type netsh int IP reset, and press Enter to clear out any clogged network data. For Xbox players, hold down the power button on your console for 10 full seconds to perform a complete hard reset and flush your system cache. Now, have everyone in your group completely restart their game client, let the leader load into the map first, and then send fresh invites directly through the in-game convoy menu, rather than using the Xbox system overlay. This forces everyone onto the exact same server instance, ensuring a perfectly stable and seamless connection for your entire racing session. Subscribe the channel for more videos.